Hi.
Hello, Ben. Hello, mommy.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Ben. How are you today? Are you happy? You happy? You are happy or sad? Are you happy? You are sad. Oh my God. You are sad right now. Oh no. Why are you sad? Ben, why are you sad, Ben? Why? Why are you feeling sad? Huh? Ben, did you go to school today? Did you go to school today? Ben, Ben. Okay, did you go to school today? Honey, you went to school today? Yeah? Yes? Yes or no?
No.
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 Oh my goodness. Yes, they go to school. Okay. Anyway, now, Ben, are you ready for our class? Are you ready? Ready now? Ready for our class? Yeah? You ready?
Yes.
Yes, you say,
Yes.
yes, I am. Can you say, yes, I am?
Yes, my eo.
Very
Yes, my.
good. I am. One more time. Yes, I am.
Yes, my eo.
I am.
My eo.
Very good. It's I am, honey. Okay, now teacher's going to share the screen. Let's go and have our new material.
No.
Huh? What's no, no, no? What's no, no, no? Okay. All right, so teacher is now going to share the screen. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay.
Ta-da-da. Okay. Let's have honey. Okay. Let's have a little review and let's see if you still remember everything.
Chúng ta hãy cùng ôn lại một chút và xem liệu
Oh, still remember the words we learned last time. Da-da-da.
chúng ta cùng ôn tập một chút và xem các em còn nhớ những từ vựng đã học lần trước không nhé.
Okay? Okay. You say yes, teacher. Can you say that? Yes, teacher. Can you say that? Yes, teacher. Okay. Now let's have this one. What is the subject? Ben, do you remember this?
No.
Do you remember this, my dear?
Em còn nhớ chuyện này không? Người yêu dấu của anh.
Yeah? What is that? Yes, it's English. Very good. Okay, very good, honey. You say English. Very good. Okay, how about
English.
this one? Do you remember this?
Em còn nhớ chuyện này không? Người yêu dấu của anh. Em còn nhớ. Em Em còn nhớ chuyện
Do you remember this? Do you remember this, my dear?
em còn nhớ chuyện này không? Người yêu dấu của anh.
Yes or no?
Yes. No, no.
Do you remember? No. Okay, this is IT.
IT.
Can you say that? IT.
I see.
Very good. Okay, next one. What is that? What is this? What is this? What do you think is this? This is. Do you remember this? Do you still remember this subject?
Bạn có còn nhớ không?
Yes or no? No.
Yeah, no.
No. Okay, this is art. Can you say art? Very good. This one is art. Next one. We have
Art.
this. Art.
No, I don't.
You don't
No,
know
I
this one. Okay, this
PE.
is PE.
No,
You say PE. Very good.
PE.
Very, yes. This is PE. You say PE three times. Ben, you say PE, PE, PE. Very good. PE, PE, PE. Okay, let's have. Okay, we're done with this one. Okay, let's have this one, honey. You are going to read and tick. You have to choose. The right picture of each subject.
Bạn phải chọn bức ảnh phù hợp cho từng chủ đề.
Okay? All right. We have the English. We just have the English. Where is the English? Where is it? In circle.
A circle. English.
Where's the English?
English đây. Chỉ là English.
No.
Khoanh tròn hình ảnh bên phải.
Here. You choose here. English.
Okay.
Where
Chỉ là
the English there? Yay! That one is English. Good job. Okay, next we have IT. IT. Okay, where is the IT? In Let's see if it's IT.
Môn học công nghệ thông môn công nghệ thông tin. Môn công nghệ thông tin.
Yes, IT. Let's see if that's IT. Very good. Good job. Okay, wait for a while, honey. Wait for a while. Very good. Okay, next one. Let's have the next one. Let's go to the next one. How about the art? Art. Yes. Where is the art? Yes. Art, honey. Art. Art subject. Okay. You're just going art subject.
Môn nghệ thuật. Môn nghệ thuật.
Nghệ thuật.
Where is the art? Where is the art? Art,
Yes.
art, art.
Oh.
Art, art. Where is
Oh.
Yay! Very good. That's the correct answer. Teacher's going to give you a star. I am now going to give you a star and a hot dog. Here's your hot dog, my dear. Nom, 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 nom. Here's your hot dog. Get your hot dog now. Nom, 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 nom. Okay. Very good, honey. You remembered everything. Great job, man. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, you're going to look and encircle. Look and encircle the right word.
Hãy nhìn và khoanh tròn từ đúng.
Okay, we have the first one, honey. Is this PE or IT? Is this PE or IT? This or this? What is that? Is this PE or IT? What is this?
Archie. Ow. Archie. Ow. Archie.
Physical education
No,
subject.
Đây là môn giáo dục thể chất.
Yeah. Okay. Now, how about this? Is this walk or English? Walk or
no.
English? What is
That.
that? Yay! Very good. That's the correct answer. Great job. I'm going to give you a juice. Juice for you, my dear. Me. Juice for you. Nom, nom, nom. Juice for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Yes. Huh? This is math. Very good. Okay. Great job. And how about number 4? You have 2 answers in number 4. Okay. Honey, you have 2 answers for number 4. You only have to choose one.
Bạn phải trả lời 2 câu hỏi, vì bạn chỉ cần chọn một câu trả lời.
Okay. What's the answer, honey? What is the answer? Is this IT or art? IT or art? What is that? What is?
Oh.
Huh? It's art. Are you sure? Are you sure it's art? Are you sure it's art?
No, no,
IT. It is
No,
IT.
no, thingy.
Okay, honey, it is
Simple.
IT. Say IT. Okay, let's have the first one. The first one is PE. Number 2, English. 2, English.
Oh no.
3, math. Ben. 4, IT. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, you have to repeat what teacher says, honey. Okay, again. You have to repeat what teacher says.
Bạn phải nhắc lại những gì giáo viên nói.
Okay? All right, let's have number 1. I have PE and math.
And math.
Very good. We have here number 2. I have English.
I have PE and math.
Number 2, honey. Number 2. You say, I have English. Can you say that? I have, yeah. I have English. Okay, let's have number 3.
Oh, no.
Huh? What? Okay, let's have number 3, honey. You say, I have art and Vietnamese. Can you say that? Honey, unmute your mic. Unmute your mic, please, my dear.
Vui lòng bật mic lên nhé. Bạn thân mến.
Okay, let's have the third one. You say, I have art and Vietnamese. Can you say that? I have art and Vietnamese. Very good. Okay, next we have here. Leslie. The last one. You say, I have IT. I have IT.
I have ICM.
Very good. I have IT. Okay, now okay, we are already done with this material pen. Okay. We are already done with the previous lesson, honey. So now we're going to have a new one.
Helicopter.
Chúng ta đã
Helicopter.
We
Helicopter.
are now going to have
Helicopter. 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 Helicopter.
Okay.
Bây giờ
Alright.
chúng ta sẽ bắt đầu bài học mới.
Are you ready, Ben? Are you ready? Are you ready now? Yes? Yes. Okay, now. Yes. We are going to learn. Yes. Now we are going to have the wild animals.
Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ có các loài động vật hoang dã.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Again, you say wild animals. Wild. Huh? Again. Wild animals. Wild animals. Huh? Honey, again, one more time. Wild animals.
Động vật. Động vật hoang dã.
Động vật hoang dã. Wild animals. Okay. Let's have this video right here. Let's watch the video.
Stomp like elephants. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do.
Oh no.
Okay, again. Again.
Stomp like elephants. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Jump like kangaroos. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Swing like monkeys. Let's go to the zoo and swing like the monkeys do. Let's go to the zoo and swing like the monkeys do. Waddle. Let's go to the zoo and waddle like the penguins do. Let's go to the zoo and waddle like the penguins do. Slither like snakes.
Slither like a
Let's go to the zoo and slither like the snakes do. Let's go to the zoo and slither like the snakes do. Swim like polar bears. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the polar bears do. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the polar bears do.
Okay. Oh,
Let's go to the zoo and dance like the animals do. Let's go to the zoo and dance like the animals do.
Okay. That is it, my dear. Now let's have the new vocabulary, Ben. What is this animal?
Bear.
Okay,
Bear.
let's see.
Bear.
Yes, very good. You say it is a bear.
Bear.
Again, it is
Is
a
bear.
A bear.
Ah,
Very good. Okay, let's have the second. Let's have the second one. What is this? Oh, what is this one? This is a
Alligator.
Crocodile.
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 Yes, you say
Oh,
yes. It's a crocodile.
crocodile.
Yes, you say, honey Ben, you say, it is a crocodile.
It is a crocodile.
Very good. Ben, do you like
Oh.
the crocodile?
Crocodile.
Do you like it?
Crocodile.
Do you like the crocodile?
Yeah.
Bạn có thích cá sấu không?
Yeah. Yeah.
You say, yes, I like the crocodile. Can you say that? Yes, I like the crocodile.
Yes, I like crocodile.
Very good. Okay. How about the bear, Ben? Do you like the bear? Do you like the bear?
Bạn có thích con gấu không?
No, I don't.
You say, I don't like the bear. Can you say that? I don't like the bear. Can you say that, please? I don't like the bear. You.
I don't like the bear.
Very good. I don't like the bear. Okay, let's have the next one.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this, Ben? What do you think is this one?
Elephant.
Yay!
Elephant.
Very good.
Elephant.
Great job. This is the elephant. You say, it is an elephant. Can you say that? Ben, unmute your mic. I can't hear you. Unmute your mic, please. Teacher cannot hear you.
Vui lòng bật mic lên. Cô giáo không nghe thấy em nói gì.
Okay.
Okay, you say, it is an elephant. Can you say that?
Elephant.
It is. Again, honey. It is.
It is elephant.
Elephant. Very good. One more time. It is an elephant. Again. Ben, where are you now? Ben, where are you now? Okay, let's say it is an elephant.
It is an elephant. It is
Very
an elephant.
good. Do you like it? Honey,
It
do you like the elephant?
is elephant. It
Do
is
you like the elephant?
Bạn có thích con voi không?
No?
No, I don't. No.
No.
No, I don't. No.
You say, I don't like the elephant.
Only tomato. Only
Ben?
tomato.
Ben, you say, I don't like the elephant. Can you say that? Ben, you say, I don't like the elephant.
Elephant.
Mm-hmm. Very good. You say, let's have this one. Ben, what is this?
Zombie.
Huh? This is
Zombie.
this is a zombie? No, this is not a zombie. This is not a zombie. This is
Hippo.
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 Very good.
Hippo.
Again, one more time. Hippo. Hippo. One more time. Hippo.
Hippo.
Yes. Hippo. Very good. Now, honey, you say it is a hippo.
Hippo.
Very good. One more time. It is a hippo.
It is a hippo.
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 Okay, anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore, Ben. So teacher is now going to say goodbye. Bye-bye, Ben. See you next time on Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Bye.